Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and had some fun. I know I had a bit of fun. I sat and read like usual with this quarantine, but hey, it's alright. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to start with another problem. This one is more visual like the ones we did 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, rather than the word-based ones we did last. So I hope you guys enjoy these. These are a bit puzzly. I love these. It's kind of like Sudoku. So if you guys want more, feel free to look up Sudoku or just email me for questions. So let's get into it. So we have this 3x3 grid with 3 numbers in it, 1, 2, and 1. Our objective is to find what number goes in that question mark. Now, if you look at the question in the link below, which again, if you need to access that, feel free to go, click the link, and you'll get the question. You can print out, do it yourself. If you look at that, it has different answer choices, and some of them are like 1 or 2, or there'll be 1 and 2, 2 or 3, you know? So you could have multiple options. So we're gonna test this out a bit and see what we can actually get. So, in Sudoku, you can only have one of each number in every row, column, and diagonal. So if I have 1 and 2 in this column, what has to go in the bottom? Well, a 3, right? Because we didn't use a 3 in that column yet. And that's what you do at Sudoku. You make sure every number is the same in every column, row, and diagonal. So, now that we have that 3 there, what can we look at? Well, we can look at this diagonal, right? So if there's a 3 and a 1 in the diagonal, what goes in the top? A 2, right? So we have a 2 here. Now, we also have a 2, 1, and 3. So, what goes there if there's a 2 and a 1? Well, a 3, right? We have a 3 here. Now we have a 2 and a 3, so we need a 1. So we'll put a 1 here. Uh-oh, this didn't work. Look, we have 1, 1, and 1 in that diagonal. That's not good, right? So let's start from scratch. Let's look back at the question, right? Let's look back at the diagram. Well, we have a 1 and a 1 already in a diagonal. So that means this Sudoku is only vertical and horizontal. If it was diagonal, the whole question wouldn't work because there's already 2 of the same numbers in diagonal. So let's try this that way, right? So vertical and horizontal only. Vertical 1, 2, and then the 3 again, right? We'll put in the 3 because that's the only number that would fit there. Now here, we have a 2, 1, and what number is missing? A 3, so I'll put a 3 here. Now, we have a 1 here, right? So what number has to go here? Well, a 2 or a 3. So here we have 2, 3/2. And then if that's the case, then what number goes here? 1, right? So we have a 1 here. Now, because of that, we have a 1, 3, and then what number is missing? A 2, so we put a 2 here. Now, the question mark, the only number that's missing in this row is a 3, so we put a 3 here, right? And now we go back to this part, 3 or 2. Well, we already have a 3 in this column, right? This row, there's a 3 in there already. So the only number that would make sense is 2. So we'll get rid of the 3 and we'll put a 2. All right, and we put a 3 for the question mark. Let's go over all of this and make sure our work makes sense, right? Let's go through every row first. 1, 3, 2. Yeah. 2, 1, 3. That works. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1. All right, so that worked. It looks like we got it. But the question has answer choices that are 2 or 3. And we didn't even solve to see if there's a 2 or a 1 that can go there. So let's try it again. Let's try and put a 2 there and see what happens. All right? Just to make sure our answer choice is correct. And let's put a 2 there. Well, if there's a 2 there, this has to be a 3. This has to be a 3, right? 2, 1, this has to be a 3. This has to be a 3. Uh-oh. We have 3, 3, 3, 3. That doesn't work. So it looks like 2 doesn't work in there. And you can't put 1 in because there's already 1 in that column, 1 in that column, and 1 in that row. So it looks like the only answer is 3. So, again, the number in the question mark will be 3. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun making it. And if you want more of these puzzles, feel free to comment down below or email me independently, and I'll love to give you additional practice. I would absolutely love to give you guys more work. And it sounds like, more homework, but this stuff is fun. And once you get into it, you'll love it. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy your day.